God is holy. Yes, Lord. He is righteous. Yes, He is totally pure. And yet this holy God chose to love you and love me while we were yet in sin. While we were sinners, while we hated God, He loved us. Yes, God. See, God is good. As much as people say, God is angry or God is this and that, God is a good God. He is a good Father. Yes, God. And He loves His children. Yes, God. He is good. He is compassionate. He is slow to anger. He is rich in mercy. Yes, God. This is the God that we serve. A God that gave His own Son to die on the cross for you and for me. He did not have to do it. But because of His never-ending goodness, He sent His Son, Jesus Christ, to die. And this is why we sing. This is why we stand here and worship Him. Because if not for Him, we would be heading straight to hell. We would be living a life without knowing God. This is the purpose of life. It's to know God.